Alright guys, so we just made it to the car meet. We're gonna make our way to the front. Raul just called me. Those of you that follow the channel, y'all know who Raul is. Super loud, all these bikes are revving. But yeah, we're gonna go see what shots we can get. Cool. Alright, we're good to go. Here, Kristen, you want a CPL filter? You're gonna need it for shots. So we'll start at the front and then we'll make our way away. Oh snap. What's up, Matthew? Oh my gosh.
Why are you here?
You got a What's up?
I was watching and I saw you. I was like, no way.
Take some candy here. Yeah. They think it's a photo.
A photo, Chris.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't.
Maybe use this car as Volca. We'll get the truck gang. So we got this ghost car right here. We're gonna go on this right side so that way the sun's behind it. So that way it gets that backlit vibe. Homeboy's kind of in the shot. It's fine. Excuse me. I'm gonna take a photo from the side. No, you're good. You're good. All right, perfect. What's up, man? Nando?
Yeah.
Chris, nice to meet you, man. Raul said you'd be here.
I know. You seen him yet or not?
Yeah, he's up front. You can see the C8 with him.
Oh, yeah. I saw the C8, but I didn't see him.
No, yeah, he has his teddy bear costume on with his girlfriend, yeah. Let's get this shot while it's empty here. It's like a little mouse.
I like it.
Oh, that's so sick. Get some people in their shots, that's fine.
I didn't know I was in front of it.
Oh yeah. Let's get a little off center here. Awesome, sweet. Yeah. That's funny. And this thing is slammed to the ground.
Is it lift up whenever they turn it on?
Yeah. Imagine we could use the reflection right here.
He pulled up right behind me at the pump. I was like,
Base looks like.
oh, yeah.
There's a baby skeleton triceratops in there.
Where? Let me see. Show me. We got the C7s up in here, along with the C6. Oh, that's kind of dope.
Oh, look, there's one hanging on the trunk.
Where? Oh yeah.
Where?
Look at that thing.
Oh, shoot. That was 3 albums ago. What do you know?
There's a scary lady. in the
Halloween
back,
really
too.
brings the best out of cars.
Where?
Behind right here. Dang, a line of C7's kind of cool. Yeah, let's get some more of the dogs.
Beats. They're like Halloween themed.
Oh, over there?
Hold on, back up, guys. I'm gonna get a shot.
Yeah. Or not a mask. Never mind.
Got it. Oh, that's dope. What? Oh, look at all these little guys here. We got Blue from Jurassic Park. He's dead though by now.
spotted another GTR. This one's clean. Baby, they raise it up and lower it.
Yeah, but still.
When they raise it up, it's raised up at a normal driving height.
Oh, yeah.
Let me get this shot here. This is clean. Hold on.
Eyes. Look at the eyes.
Oh yeah, they shine with the sun. He's very photogenic. This FRS is pretty dope. I like how it's kind of like not parked properly, but it kind of works out for the photo. That's cool. We're all looking a little sus. He's investigating the car. The car before it leaves. And then take a photo of this Type R. There we go. All vacuum cells, service parts. Love it. Oh, that's freaking clean. He thugging.
Wow.
The detail. The attention to detail is crazy. Oh, look at the little, oh. Ariana. Ari. Gotta tell her to move. Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a super fun. Got to meet up with Raul and met a new friend, Nando. So hope to shoot with him and the guys. I really want to start vlogging more, so I'm on a roll right now. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.